Wonka Factory. Our team vets all our projects to ensure quality investment. We make sure we protect and educate our community to be as safe as possible. Our Candy Crate subscription is a true wonder, with random airdrops and NFTs to our subscribers. Delicious treats all month long. With ShillyVision, we stream meme videos, AMAs, relaxing music, and the hottest crypto commercials around. And it's 24/7. And there's always a golden ticket to look out for. The Golden Ticket VIP server in our Discord grants you access to our everlasting calls, Shilly Golden Ticket plays, free prizes, and much more. Delicious treats of all sorts are just a click away at ShillyWonka.com.